In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a campaign from start to finish so you can confidently hit send on your next email. First, let's start a new campaign. From your Mailerlite dashboard, look for the Campaigns section in the main menu. This is where all of your email broadcasts are created and managed. Click on the button that says Create Campaign, or it may appear as Create New Campaign depending on your version. This opens up the basic setup for your email. Next, you'll be asked to choose your campaign type. For most situations, you'll want to select Regular Campaign, which is a standard one-time email to your subscribers. You'll also see other options like RSS Campaign, which is great if you want emails to go out automatically whenever you publish new blog posts, and A/B Split Test, which lets you test different subject lines or content to see what performs better. For now, select the option that fits your needs and then click Continue or Save and continue to move on. Now it's time to design your email content. Click on Next. Content to open the editor. Mailerlite gives you a few ways to create your email. You can use the drag and drop editor for a visual, block-based layout, the rich text editor for simple text-focused emails, or custom HTML if you have your own code. After choosing your editor, select a template from the template gallery, use one of your saved templates, or start from scratch with a blank layout. Begin adding content by dragging in blocks like headlines, images, text areas, and buttons onto the canvas. Take a moment to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so it matches your brand. You can also personalize your email by inserting contact fields, such as a subscriber's first name, to make your message feel more personal. With the content in place, set up your campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can recognize it later. This won't be visible to your subscribers. Then write your subject line, which is what your audience will see in their inbox. Add a clear, compelling subject, and optionally include an emoji if it suits your brand. Choose the sender name and professional email address you want your message to come from, and add a pre-header, which is the short line of text that appears after the subject in most inboxes. Next, click Select Recipients and choose the groups or segments you want to send this campaign to. Before moving on, make sure tracking is enabled, especially the option to track opens, so you can review performance later. Finally, review and send your campaign. Use the preview option to see how the email will look on desktop and mobile, and send a test email to yourself to double-check links, images, and formatting. When you're happy with everything, go to the Review and Confirm page to quickly scan all your settings, including subject line, sender, recipients, and tracking. If everything looks good, click Send to dispatch your email immediately, or choose Schedule if you'd like it to go out at a specific date and time. That's all you need to create and send a professional email campaign with Mailerlite.